Welcome to Plant Nest. Today, we're exploring the intriguing world of Hoya serpens, a truly unique and captivating plant species. I've been growing my Hoya serpens for 4 years, starting from a cutting with just 2 leaves. Over time, it has flourished beautifully. I added a trellis in the middle of the pot, which is now almost invisible due to the dense foliage. This year, it has rewarded me with its first bloom. Hoya serpens was discovered in the mountains of Sikkim, in the Himalayan region of western India. This area is known for its monsoon winds, heavy fog, and frequent rainfall, making it a relatively cool environment. Much like many mountain species, Hoya serpens thrives in these cool conditions. Besides India, Hoya serpens is also found in Nepal and Queensland, Australia. However, in Australia, only a single location is known. According to Forster and Little in 1990, Hoya serpens was likely introduced there. This was confirmed in 2005 by C. M. Burton in a Hoya forum. Burton described how a member of the HSI, Hoya Society International, stopped collecting Hoyas because they were too demanding. The entire collection was planted in the Australian bush and watered until the plants established themselves. Hoya serpens was part of this collection and eventually became naturalized. The leaves of Hoya serpens are small, round or oval, and gray-green in color. The numerous tiny hairs on both sides of the leaves give the plant a shimmering appearance. Hoya serpens branches out quickly, forming a dense mat of foliage. In its native habitat, it creeps along the ground or over fallen logs. The flowers of Hoya serpens are larger than the leaves, about 1.5 centimeters in diameter, and intricately curled. When in bloom, they are white-green, and as they age, the green deepens and slight pink hues appear. Each hanging umbel consists of about 6 to 8 individual flowers that emit a light, sweet fragrance with hints of menthol. In cultivation, Hoya serpens doesn't bloom easily. The flowers appear only on the peduncles, which are stems that extend from the main plant. These peduncles are persistent, meaning Hoya serpens blooms repeatedly from the same umbel stems. My Hoya serpens thrives in a small pot, only 9 centimeters wide. It seems to love being a bit root-bound, so don't rush to repot it. Provide a trellis or support structure for vertical growth. Place your Hoya serpens in bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight to prevent leaf scorch. Water when the top inch of soil is dry. Ensure good drainage to avoid root rot and reduce watering in winter. Maintain high humidity levels above 60%. Keep temperatures between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. Use a well-draining mix, like cactus soil with added orchid bark or perlite. Fertilize monthly during spring and summer with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer. Reduce feeding in fall and winter. Hoya serpens is truly a remarkable plant, with its delicate leaves and enchanting flowers. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a curious newcomer, this plant is sure to captivate you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating plant stories. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!